Hello everyone, back at it again with the one and only Dyan'van. If you haven't subscribed, please do the right thing and hit that subscribe button. We're trying to grow the channel to 1K subscribers in one freaking year. Please hit that subscribe button. It's a different day, a different video, and today we have the official video of Big Xhosa and I find his ikuku endala. Without wasting any more time. Why is this camera blurry? But never mind. But let's get straight into it.
Come and see for little baby. Before the minute cry.
Hello.
Baby, where to? You're trying now. I saw the drama, man.
I don't know why that gets me every time. Baby, where to? Our baby, I love you too.
Excuse me, go. I make that go.
Oh, hey man, another baby way to think makes sense. He's phoning their girlfriend while Big Xhosa is giving her back shots. And he doesn't seem phased at all. He probably knows where she is.
I make that go. She got that way. You're trying to need you. She knows my name, but I don't need that book.
What the heck is going on here? Huh? Xhosa. Ikuku service. I didn't know it needs service. Probably endala, as the song implies. No, too much. She can't even walk up straight. Receptionist. Their girlfriend, the receptionist. Ayin, guys. Look at that. Symptoms. Let me go through the symptoms and try to explain what they are for those who don't know. Iyabanda. It means you're cold. You're cold in bed. That's what it means, the first one. So, if you need help with that, your meal dry as a Kalahari. I don't know how they're gonna fix that. Probably because foreplay fixes that, but we're not there. Yeah, no, it has a smell. Hey man, ixhatshaziwa, yaxhatshazwa. I think because she's blocking the word with the hand. Yeah. It means you know what, the thingy has been through a lot. Too much, man. It's been through too much. Whoo, aina grip. It doesn't have that gorilla grip. The last one, it doesn't have those. If you have those symptoms, make sure you make your way to the ikuku services. Oh no, it's dry.
She knows my name, but I don't need that book. London no means a boo. She knows your name. Uchona uchi you make that book.
Chona uchi jump. That means you slip and you slide. She's too wet. She's too wet, man.
Make that good. I make that good. I make that good. I make that good. Hey, I make that good. Baby, baby,
chickens are coming out. Trophies are coming out. What the? They have a hammer and a chisel. What is going on here? Man, man's clinic ain't got shit on this one. The cuckoo services. I've been saying this when they say a stove with 6 guys, they're talking about a 2-burner stove. Not that 4 burners. 2-burner stove. Nothing is as hot as a 2-burner. Nothing is as hot as a 2-burner. You can buy your whatever, man. 2-burner does the job. Too much.
The food tapping. Life is not fair. For single people, all is not for single people. The food tapping. Baby, the candlelight. Your husband died. Loser. And give me cool. I make it. Make that cuckoo. I make that cuckoo. I fuck for free. I make that cuckoo. It's I am a sugar daddy, but I'm sugar free. I fuck for free. I make that cuckoo.
Guys, a rugby ball came out of there. A freaking rugby ball. It's your fucking rugby players. What? What's the kandoni? Yo, amangazana.
Cream. I make that cuckoo. I make that cuckoo. I make that cuckoo. I make that cuckoo. Habla pundi poons. Habla pundi peeperns. Habla pundi poons. And I feel myself. If I see AKA, I'ma kill myself.
Get the fuck out of here. That line remains undefeated. I don't care what you say. I don't care where you from. If I see AKA, I'ma kill myself. If you don't know what that line means, go check out my reaction on this song on the audio. Guys, they did say the revolution would not be televised, but for your sake, it's getting YouTubed. Diabulel.